Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best heat press machine you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best heat press machine in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Fancier Studio Heat Press Machine. This fancier 15 by 15 inch industrial quality digital heat press with improvements from the previous model, including included sheet and coating on the heat platen. The silicon rubber base is now glued down. This heat press is compact and is an upward opening model, which saves space. Ideal for applying transfers, letters, numbers, and images on t-shirts, garments, bags, mouse mats, jigsaw puzzles, ID badges, ceramic tiles, and other items. Most users opt in for a reliable and tested product, especially while buying an expensive machine. Thus, the Fancier Studio Heat Press Machine is present on top of our list. With similar construction and form factor to most heat press machines, the Fancier Studio Power Heat Press offers a 15 by 15 inches working area that comes with a heat press sheet included with the machine. You will be needing 110 volts input for the machine and can get up to 1800 watts power output, which should be more than enough for applications like t-shirt printing. The available temperature range for the Fancier Studio Power Heat Press ranges between 0 to 699 degrees Fahrenheit, which can be applied for anywhere between 0 to 15 minutes. There are dedicated controllers provided on the machine for the time of application as well as heat controllers to get precise results. Our second best heat press machine is Better Sub Heat Press Machine. The Better Sub Heat Press Machine is an ideal choice for DIY enthusiasts as well as professional workers as it packs many attractive traits and features. First of all, let's talk about the capabilities of this machine. The Better Sub Heat Press Machine can provide great quality prints with a 0 to 440 degree Fahrenheit temperature range available over 12 by 15 inches working space. The machine introduces solid-state relays that offer great protection against overloading problems. Heat transfer is a new generation of technology that uses special sublimation inks and sublimation transfer paper. The pattern printed on the product does not produce colloid. If it is transferred to the clothes, the ink is directly sublimated into the clothes fiber, and the reliability is the same as the cloth dyeing, and the color is bright, which is more suitable for the colorful pattern. This heat press machines are highly recommended since the irons cannot obtain the high pressure and high temperature that a heat press machine can reach and sustain. This is a multifunctional machine. Hence, you will find a shirt press bed, cap press equipment, cylindrically shaped heating bed for mugs, circular heating discs for plates. Furthermore, there are 2 different plate printers included that are 5 inches and 6 inches in size. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Royal Press Heat Press Machine. Royal Press features an intelligent memory digital temp and time control system panel with memory function. Provides with an automatic countdown and alarm. Professional in heat transfer printing logos, letters, numbers and images onto cotton, fiber, metal, ceramic, glass and so on like t-shirts, garments, bags, mouse mats, jigsaw puzzles, ceramic tiles, plates and other flat surfaced items. Suitable for producing DIY gift, advertisements etc. Royal Press is a stellar option for beginners and experts looking for a safe-to-use heat press because it features a pull-away design for printing. The larger sized lower plate pulls out of the heat press, allowing you to work on your technique without getting near the hot plates. Also, the draw-style presses take less space, making this heat press ideal for those with limited space. This heat press has a magnetic lock to keep the plate in place to prevent slippage during the printing process. Moreover, This heat press beeps, and the plates automatically unlock and open once the timer elapses. The aluminum heating plates have a Teflon coating that doesn't burn or ruin the workpiece and is easy to clean. The LED digital temperature display and function controller with intelligent memory makes it easy to use for amateurs. The silicone pads can withstand up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, making this the overall best heat press machine. Number 4 in our side is Cricut Easy Press 2 Heat Press Machine. This heat press machine is perfect for those looking for a compact, simple machine. The heating plates of this portable machine are 12 by 10 inches, making it an ideal choice for personal use. It caters to all your DIY needs, whether you need to transfer the design on cotton, metal, nylon, vinyl, or other materials, you can count on this heat press machine. Get professional heat transfer results without the guesswork and repeated testing with Cricut's Easy Press. Combining the speed of a heat press and the convenience of an iron, you get prints that stick even after multiple washes. With precise temperature control up to 400 degrees, you can adjust the heat as per your requirement. Just set the temperature and timer and apply gentle pressure. When you hear the beep sound, you're done. Featuring an advanced heat plate design with ceramic coated surface, the iron-on press heats up in under 3 minutes and can execute even the most intricate prints in about 60 seconds. Get accurate results at the blink of an eye. The press is equipped with an insulated safety base and auto shutoff feature, and is compatible with major brands of heat transfer vinyl and all infusible ink products. A perfect match for the Cricut cutting machines. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best heat press machine list is Serpco's heat press machine. This 5-in-1 heat press can be used for t-shirts, hats, ceramic plates, tiles, mugs, coasters, mouse pads, puzzles, lettering, and other miscellaneous fabrics and materials. It can transfer color pictures and characters from sublimation and dissolution printing inks to ceramics, glass and textiles such as cotton, linen, chemical fibers, nylon, etc. Serpco's is also one of the brands that are known for its high-quality heat press machines. Similar to our previous choices, Serpco's is also the choice of many existing users. The best heat press machine is the Serpco's heat press machine. Specifically designed for applications like t-shirt printing, this heat press machine features a rectangular working area measuring 12 by 15 inches. Hence, you can easily fit a full-size t-shirt at once. Also, it is the first multifunctional heat press machine from our picks, as it is a 5-in-1 machine. You will get a Teflon coated plate, a cap press, a mug press and 2 different plate presses with and 6 inches diameters, respectively. The 360-degree swing away function of this heat press machine will prevent accidents and burns, and the commercial grade steel frame is built to last, also ensuring that there are no issues with the intense heat drawn from these presses machines. The overheating protection function also ensures safe and stable use.